There, if you will install the fresh Angular application, then you will notice one file which is the package.json and another file which is the package log.json. So what is the use of the package.json and the package log.json? So you know that package.json is an important file, but why the package log.json? What is the importance of this? So let's talk about it. If you will open the package.json, which is I already opened, then in the dependency section you will see that all the dependency is available here, but you will notice their version is have with some sign. Basically this is a caret signs and this is a tilde sign. And what is the use of these signs? What is the hidden information behind these signs? So let's talk about it. So if you will go to the documentation, you will find the meaning of these signs. So if version is exact version is available, which is 2.0.1, it means this is exact version which is installed. But some of the version starting with the caret and tilde sign, it means these tilde signs represent approximately equivalent to version, and this caret signs represent compatible with the version. It means minimum version is required to run this Angular application. Okay, so properly run the Angular application, you required minimum this version. This is the minimum version required for running the application properly. But if you look at the package log.json, then you will notice that most of the dependency is showing with the exact version. It means whenever you will install any package, library and whatever, then this will recorded in the package log.json with this exactly same version, and the package JSON where the minimum version and compatible version. So after some times when you will run the npm install command, then you will able to install exactly same version which is you installed at that time. That's why this package log.json and package.json both are playing the important role here. So don't delete this package log.json, because this is also a very important file where all the version related detail will be available. So whenever you will install the npm install any dependency later on, then you will find the exact version which is you installed at that time. So also whenever you will pushing your code in the GitHub, make sure that these two files should be pushed. Then whenever someone will be pulled, then they can install the exactly same version, and that will not cause any issue during the development. So I hope you understand. If you face any problem, then definitely let us know.